Decorate this one.
Ayan, you and Ava.
This one too. We'll decorate this one.
Where should I put? Where should I put? Oh. You can look at it. Mommy, where can I put the thing? Why we need the green bowl? Can I put this somewhere?
Wait lang. That's pala. Where will you put it?
Wait, I'm gonna put some. Can you turn it, please?
Like here? Wait lang, I'll do it. I cannot see. Don't cover the silver one.
Is this cute? I added sprinkles here. I also put sprinkles.
No. Let's put it on the side. I'll put it now. Like what I did too. Excuse me. Excuse me, darling. Okay. Too much going on top.
You can also add this one. You can also add the pasta ones on the side. I'm going to read. You can use the pasta one.
On top na lang, anak. The pasta.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, Ellie.
A rainbow extra sprinkle cake. Very pastel. Why are the pastel beads like foam beads?
Ellie.
They're really good. I like them. What? Don't worry. That's so nice. Look what they're eating. That's so I feel like I'm burrowed. Hey, where did you get the other cake? Oh, that's my mom. She wants to decorate it. It's raining tacos. Time to go to the
Wait lang.
I'm gonna mix all the colors together.
Kailan po kaya? cupcakes. Sige, go on it. Go on it. What's yours?
Can I borrow one of these?
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Can I put space up here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat that.
Is it good? Is it yummy? Are you
Can you
done?
pass me some tissue?
You have two cakes.
Can I have tissue, please? Okay, Ali.
Pero dapat cupcake sila. Ano nangyari sa cupcake? May trabaho.
Bakit kasi mag-bake tayo? Kaya lang po ayaw.
Tagal. Oo.
Sabi ko, kaya namin.
Hindi na pang experience lang naman. Yung decor okay na.
Kasi gusto niya
Nakaka-bake naman siya sa inyo. Kailangan niya mag-decorate. Oo.
So wala akong ganyan ako. You're done? We'll
Yeah.
put yours in a
Okay,
box.
let's take a picture of your aunt.
Aba. Why are we so? Oh wow, that's nasty. Is this
Aba, you wanna put yours in the
Yeah, that's mine.